So last year we talked to you about our multiband small cell antennas and all the support that we have for the MSOs, picking up 600 megahertz, midband, CBRS, and LAA. And this year we actually put a pretty big focus on trying to optimize that technology, really with efficiency in mind. So historically on the wireless space, you might look for extra gain inside of an antenna, extra efficiency there, and really with the idea of coverage in mind so that you can reach further. But on the MSO side of things, when you're talking on the CBRS, and we have the EIRP limits from the FCC, and a lot of these systems are already operating, at or near those limits. So when it comes to any additional efficiencies that you could actually build into the radiating layer, that means that you can start backing off on your power. And that power consumption equals two things for the MSOs. One is just directly, a lower TCO because you're not spending the money on the power. But secondly is, on the coax plant, you have a limited power budget already, and there's already existing devices. So when you can come in and really lower that power consumption of the antennas, then it really opens up where you can deploy and try to optimize your network. The reason that's important is because on the DOCSIS 3.1, there's some limited backhauls, and that's already being taxed in certain places. So when you're able to go in and you have more selection on where you can place a wireless radio for 3.5 or maybe some other spectrum, then it allows you to maybe offload that traffic to a different node that's not already being taxed, which is very important. So the radio vendors already have this efficiency in mind when they're building on their end and trying to meet these power budget requirements. And so from the Amphenol side, typically we're dealing on the passive end of things. So it really becomes a great synergy when we can tie the work that a radio vendor is doing on their power efficiencies, and then also building in this additional efficiency on the antenna side to come up with a really great solution to meet the needs of the MSO market.